Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm joined by...
Arie.
It's been ages, mate. What have you been up to?
Playing video games.
Playing video games. Hey, yeah, cheeky boy. And soccer. He loves soccer. Today we are going to be drawing...
Hang on. Today we're going to be drawing Sharkdog, the main character of my favourite Netflix TV show.
Let's hope you can follow along at home. Arie, let's start by drawing a line across like this. Now we're going to draw a rounded triangle up like so. These are construction lines, and the reason we draw these is to get them, the proportions looking good. Good start there. Now, Sharkdog is quite funny. He's actually sitting on an inflatable flamingo. So we're going to draw a curve coming down, and then we're going to draw a big curve line coming all the way around and to about here. And then we're going to bring the flamingo's head and flamingo's neck up and around like so. So a curve line there. And then this is the flamingo's head in there. So there's the neck. I'm going to put one more line here. This is going to be the shark dog's mouth. Okay. Now it is time for outlining. Let's start. Shark dog with his fin coming off the back. Like this, shaped like this. A rounded triangle. That's his back fin. Good job, Arie. Now we're going to draw this part from the construction lines. Now it looks like it comes in a bit there and then out a bit there, like so. Just bring that in a little bit. So construction lines are there to help us with proportions, but we change any little bits that we need to as we go. Now this one here comes around like this, and then where it hits, where the eye is going to be, we're just going to be bringing a little line in like this and around. This is his eyeball, so we're going to put his eye there like an oval shape. So come around, that's the way. And then I'm going to put his eye in here. And he's going to have a twinkle in his eye, so leave a little white bit for it. That's it, Arie. Draw his bottom of his eyelid. Now directly across here, because he's on a slight angle, we're going to put his other eye. So that's an oval shape here, like so. And then his bottom eyelid like that. Good, Arie. Draw his other eye now. Almost like a reverse Pac-Man, that eyeball. Okay, the next bit we're going to draw is we're going to come down here and stop about there, because he's got a fin, another fin, and it's a rounded shape like so. Comes around like that. He's almost waving. He's so cute. That's it. Bring it up and around, and now we're going to put his mouth in. So underneath here, we're going to curve it around, curve, like a big smiley bit there, and like that. That's the way, mate. And then we've got a nostril here, and a nostril there. Inside the mouth, we've got, this is the mouth here now, curve line around like this, and then a big smiley face down and around like that. And there's Sharkdog's mouth. We need to put some teeth in. So I'm going to start with the top teeth, rounded triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit there, 5, and then another little one there. Now we've got to wedge these other teeth in behind. So watch this. In behind. We're just going to colour in this bit black. Comes down. His teeth almost wedge in behind these other ones, his bottom teeth. Mm-hmm. They should fit in those gaps. That's it. So you put the teeth into those gaps. Yep. So directly under the nostril, I'm going to start my line and come across, because that's the flamingo. Bring it around. Now this is going to be his other fin. straight down. Lots of rounded triangular shapes and lines. So this then coming down like so, because this part's all really light and then this is all blue. And then we come across. Great job, mate. Yours is looking awesome. Okay, now we're going to draw the flamingo. Now, you ready? So bringing this line around, down, and I'm going to bring this around and down, and then I'm going to join these two lines together with a curve, slight curve line like so. Now, if you wanted to, you could draw some water ripples coming around.
Or shadows.
Yeah. And draw another one. This is where I'm using my whole arm. There's a water ripple. You could keep going, but I might just draw another little line like this around here and another one around there like that. Looks good, mate. Yep. That's the water ripples. Okay, now let's draw the flamingos, floaty flamingos. So we're going to come up and we've got a couple of little like lines up there, so bring that up. So remember, it's a blow up toy, so it comes around, and I'm going to finish off the flamingo's head. So see this is the pink part of the flamingo, and every now and then I'm just going to put a little fold line like that, so then it will look like it's made from plastic, and then that comes around like that. So that's the flamingo, floaty flamingo with Sharkdog sitting on. Now let's put the stripes on Sharkdog's fin. So one stripe there, like that, and then another line at the end, because he's got some dark and light blues through there, double blues. Now let's put a circle in here for the flamingo's eye. One circle, and then two circles, and then colour that in black. Looking good, mate. What do you think?
Really good.
Yeah, that's cool, mate. Okay, so now this is where the beak's going to come around. Because it's a blow-up flamingo, it's not as pointy. So we've got that beak, and then this is where the yellow bit comes across and around like that. And this is all dark, so I'm going to colour the end of the beak in black. And there we have Sharkdog looking pretty good. Hey guys, hope you had a great time drawing Sharkdog. Remember to keep drawing, keep practicing, and I promise you will become a better drawer. Check out some of these other videos and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Till next time, I'll see you later. Cheers. Bye for now.